lets you create
Murf
professional
AI
voiceovers from
lets you
text.
create
No
professional
microphone,
voiceovers from
no
text.
recording setup,
No
no
microphone,
audio
no
editing
recording
experience
setup,
needed.
no audio
You type your
editing
script,
experience needed.
choose a voice,
You type
adjust
your
the
script,
delivery,
choose
and
a
export
voice,
a finished
adjust the
audio
delivery,
file.
and export
Today,
a finished
I'm
audio
walking you
file.
through the entire
Today,
platform,
I'm
from
walking you
account
through the
creation
entire
to
platform,
export,
from
covering
account
every
creation
feature
to
a beginner
export,
needs to know.
covering every
Let's
feature
get into
a
it.
beginner needs to know.
Creating your
Let's
account.
get into it.
Go to
Creating
Murf
your
AI
account.
and click
Go to
Get Started Free
Murf.ai
or
and
Sign
click
Up
Get
in the
Started
top right
Free
corner.
or Sign Up
You can
in the
sign up
top
with your
right
Google
corner.
account by
You can
clicking
sign up
Continue
with
with
your Google
Google,
account
or
by
enter an
clicking
email
Continue with
address
Google,
and create a
or
password
enter an email
manually.
address and
Verify
create a
your email
password
if prompted
manually.
and log in.
Verify your email if
Once you're in,
prompted
you
and
land
log
on the
in.
Murf dashboard.
Once you're in,
The free
you land
plan
on the
gives you
Murf
10 minutes of
dashboard.
voice
The free
generation
plan
and
gives you
access
10
to
minutes
over
of voice
120
generation
voices.
and access to over
You can generate
120
and
voices.
preview audio on the
You
free
can
plan,
generate
but
and
downloading
preview
the
audio on
output
the free
requires
plan,
a paid
but downloading
subscription.
the output
For the
requires a
purpose of
paid
this
subscription.
tutorial, the free
For the
plan is
purpose of
enough
this
to follow
tutorial,
along
the
and
free plan
evaluate
is
whether
enough to
Murf
follow
works for your
along and
content before
evaluate whether
paying.
Murf works for your
Starting a
content
new
before
project.
paying.
On the
Starting a new
dashboard,
project.
click Create New
On the
Project.
dashboard,
A
click
dialog box
Create New
appears
Project.
asking you to
A
give the
dialog
project a
box
title.
appears
Name
asking
it
you to
something
give
that
the project a
identifies the
title.
content,
Name
like
it something
Product
that
Demo
identifies the
Voiceover
content,
or Course
like
Module
Product Demo
1.
Voiceover
Below
or
the title
Course
field,
Module 1.
you'll see two project
Below the
type
title
options,
field, you'll see
Audio
two
Project
project type
and Video
options,
Project.
Audio Project
Choose
and
Audio
Video
Project
Project.
if you're generating a
Choose
voiceover
Audio
you'll
Project
download as an
if you're
audio
generating a
file
voiceover
and bring
you'll
into your
download
own
as an
video
audio
editor
file
or
and
podcast
bring into your
software.
own video editor
Choose
or
Video
podcast
Project if you
software.
want to upload your
Choose
video
Video Project
directly
if you
into
want to
Murf
upload
and
your
sync the
video
voiceover
directly into
against the
Murf
footage
and sync
inside
the
the
voiceover
platform.
against the footage
For beginners who
inside
want
the
to keep
platform.
things simple,
For
start with
beginners who
Audio
want to keep things
Project.
simple,
You can always
start
come
with
back
Audio
and
Project.
explore the
You
video
can always
features
come back
once you're
and
comfortable with
explore
the
the
core
video
workflow.
features once you're
Click
comfortable with the
Create,
core workflow.
and your project opens in the
Click
Murf
Create,
Studio
and
Editor,
your project
entering
opens
your
in the Murf
script.
Studio Editor.
The Studio
Entering
Editor
your
opens with a
script.
script panel
The Studio
on the
Editor
left side.
opens with a script
You'll see
panel
one
on the
default
left
text
side.
block
You'll
already
see
in place.
one default text
Click
block
inside it
already in
and
place.
start typing your
Click
script,
inside it
or
and start
select all
typing
the
your script,
placeholder text
or
and paste
select
your
all
own
the
script over
placeholder
it.
text and paste
Each
your own
text block
script
has a
over it.
1,000 character
Each
limit.
text block has a 1,000
If your script is
character
longer
limit.
than 1,000
If your
characters,
script is
which
longer
most
than
voiceover
1,000
scripts are,
characters,
you
which
need to
most
break it into
voiceover scripts
multiple
are,
blocks.
you need to break it
Click
into
the plus
multiple
button at the
blocks.
bottom of the current block
Click the
to
plus
add a
button at
new
the
text
bottom of the
block.
current block to add
Continue
a
adding
new text
blocks
block.
until your full script
Continue
is
adding
entered.
blocks
A few
until your
things to
full
keep in
script is
mind
entered.
while
A
entering
few
your
things to
script.
keep in mind
Write
while
the way you
entering
want
your
the
script.
voiceover to sound,
Write
rather
the
than
way
the
you
way
want the
you'd write for
voiceover to
reading.
sound, rather than the
Short
way you'd write
sentences
for
with
reading.
natural spoken rhythm
Short
generate
sentences
better
with natural
audio
spoken
than
rhythm
long,
generate
complex
better
sentences.
audio than
Avoid
long,
abbreviations that
complex
the
sentences.
AI might read
Avoid
literally.
abbreviations
Write
that the AI
percent
might read
instead of
literally.
the symbol.
Write percent
Dollars instead of the dollar sign.
Dollars
And instead of an
dollar
ampersand.
sign. And
Numbers should
instead
be
of an
written out
ampersand.
in most cases.
Numbers should be written
25
out in most
generates
cases.
more naturally than 25 in most
generates
voice
more
models.
naturally than 25
Choosing
in
a
most
voice.
models.
With your script entered,
Choosing a voice.
click on the voice
With your
avatar
script
image
entered,
at the top of the
click on
script
voice
panel.
avatar image
It shows
at
the
top of
currently
script
selected
panel.
voice.
It shows
The voice
currently
library
selected
opens as a
voice.
panel or
The
modal
voice
window.
library opens
The
as a
library
panel
has
or
filter
modal
options
window.
at the top.
The library has
Filter by
filter
language
options at the
first.
top.
Select the
Filter
language
by
your
language
voiceover
first.
is in.
Select the
Then filter
language
by
your
gender
voiceover
if you
is
have a
in.
preference.
Then filter
The
by
age
gender
filter
if you have a
narrows
preference.
voices to
The
younger,
age filter
middle-aged, or
narrows
mature
voices to
vocal
younger,
qualities.
middle-aged, or
The
mature
style
vocal
filter is the
qualities.
most useful for matching
The
tone
style
to
filter
content.
is the most useful
Options
for
include
matching tone to
professional,
content.
conversational,
Options include
cheerful,
professional,
calm,
conversational,
authoritative,
cheerful,
and others,
calm,
depending on the
authoritative,
available voices
and
for your
others,
selected
depending
language.
on the available voices for
Apply
your
the
selected
filters that
language.
match your content's
Apply the
requirements
filters
and
that
browse
match
the
your
results.
content's requirements.
Click any
and
voice
browse
name
the
to play a
results.
preview sample.
Click any voice
Listen
name
to the
to play a
cadence,
preview
the
sample.
warmth, and the
Listen to the
overall
cadence,
energy.
the
Make
warmth,
sure it
and
fits
the
the tone
overall
of your
energy.
content.
Make sure
A
it fits the
cheerful,
tone of
warm
your
voice
content.
works for
A
consumer-facing
cheerful, warm
tutorial
voice
content.
works for
An
consumer-facing
authoritative,
tutorial
measured
content.
voice works
An
better for
authoritative,
corporate
measured
training
voice
or professional
works better for
explainers.
corporate training
When you
or
found the
professional
voice you want,
explainers.
click
When you
Select
found the
to
voice you
apply it
want,
to your project.
click Select
The
to
voice
apply it
is
to your
now
project.
set for all
The
text blocks
voice
in your
is now
project,
set for all
unless
text
you
blocks in
manually
your
assign
project,
different voices
unless you
to
manually
specific
assign
blocks.
different voices to specific
Generating and
blocks.
customizing your voiceover.
Generating and
With your
customizing
script
your
entered and your
voiceovers.
voice selected,
With your
click
script
Generate
entered and your
Audio.
voice selected,
Murf
click
processes your
Generate
text
Audio.
through the selected
Murf
voice model
processes your
and
text
produces
through
an
the
audio
selected voice
preview.
model and
The
produces an
generation
audio
takes a few
preview.
seconds to a minute,
The generation
depending on the
takes a
length
few
of your
seconds
script.
to a minute,
Listen to the full preview. Most scripts need at least a few adjustments after the first generation. Here's how to handle the most common issues. If a word has the wrong emphasis, a product name being stressed on the wrong syllable, or a key term being delivered too flatly, go back to the script panel and select that specific word. In the formatting toolbar that appears above it, look for the Add Emphasis button. Click it and select an emphasis level, light, medium, or strong. Regenerate that block and listen to how the emphasis changed. Adjust the level and regenerate again if needed. If sentences are running together without natural pauses, click in the script between the two sentences where you want to pause. Click the Add Pause button in the toolbar and select a duration. 500 milliseconds is a natural sentence pause. 800 milliseconds is more deliberate. 1 second creates a clear beat before a new thought. The pause marker appears as a visible indicator in the script text. Regenerate the block to hear how it sounds. If the overall pacing is too fast or too slow, look for the speed control in the block settings. Adjust it using the slider and regenerate. For instructional content, where listeners need time to process information, a slightly slower pace than the default improves comprehension. For energetic marketing content, a pace slightly above default feels more dynamic. If the voice is mispronouncing a word, a technical term, a brand name, a proper noun, select that word in the script. Look for the pronunciation option in the toolbar and type a phonetic spelling that guides the AI to the correct pronunciation. For example, if a name like Laos is being mangled, type Lisha phonetically. Regenerate that block and listen to the correction. Say it my way, matching your intonation. Say It My Way is a feature on the business plan that lets you record yourself saying a specific line and have Murf AI match your exact intonation, tempo, and delivery pattern for that line. To use it, select the text block or specific phrase you want to match. Look for the Say It My Way option in the block controls. It appears as a microphone or recording icon. Click it, and a recording interface opens. Click Record and speak the line the way you want the AI to deliver it. Speak naturally and clearly, at the pace and with the emphasis you want the AI to replicate. Click Stop when finished. Murf analyzes your recording, the rhythm, where your pitch rises and falls, how long you pause between words, and generates audio from your script text that mimics those delivery characteristics using the selected AI voice. The voice itself remains the AI voice you chose, but the pattern of delivery matches what you recorded. This is the most useful feature for any line where generic AI delivery doesn't capture the specific emphasis or emotional quality you need. A call to action line, a moment of excitement in a product demo, a carefully timed instructional beat. Record it yourself and let Murf match it. The Voice Changer. The Voice Changer feature lets you upload an existing audio or video file and replace the original spoken voice with a Murf AI voice while keeping the original timing intact. This is useful if you have an existing recording, a video you filmed yourself, a previously recorded voiceover that doesn't match your current quality standard, or audio recorded in a noisy environment, and you want to replace the voice without re-recording the content from scratch. In your project, look for the Voice Changer option in the left sidebar or the project settings. Click it and upload your audio or video file. Murf analyzes the timing of the speech in your uploaded file and then generates new audio using your selected AI voice that matches the duration and pacing of the original. The AI voice replaces the original audio while maintaining the same rhythm and timing. Review the output. The timing match isn't always perfect on the first pass, particularly if the original audio had irregular pacing. Adjust specific segments in the studio and regenerate those sections as needed. Adding background music and media. For video projects, Murf Studio lets you add background music, images, and video clips directly in the editor to build a complete audio-visual project without exporting to a separate tool. In a video project, look for the Media tab in the top bar of the Studio Editor. Click it, and you'll see options to upload video or image files. Drag your files into the Media panel, or
Drag
click
your files
Upload
into the
to
media
browse your
panel,
computer.
or click Upload
Once
to
uploaded,
browse your
your
computer.
files appear as clips
Once
in the
uploaded,
timeline at the
your
bottom of
files
the
appear
screen,
as clips in the
alongside
timeline
your
at the bottom
generated
of the screen,
voiceover track.
alongside your
Drag the
generated
video or
voiceover
image
track.
clips to align them with the
Drag
correct
video or
sections of your
image clips to
voiceover in the
align them with
timeline.
the correct sections of your
Trim clips
voiceover
by
in the
dragging their
timeline.
edges in the timeline.
Trim clips by
If
dragging
a
their
visual
edges in the
section needs to be
timeline.
longer or
If
shorter
a
to
visual
match the
section
voiceover
needs to be
timing,
longer or
either
shorter
trim
to
the
match
clip
the voiceover
or adjust
timing,
the pacing of
either
that
trim the
voiceover
clip
segment
or
and
adjust the
regenerate
pacing of
it.
that voiceover
For
segment
background
and
music,
regenerate it.
upload an audio
For
file the
background
same
music,
way.
upload
Place
an
it in the
audio file the
timeline
same
and
way.
adjust its volume
Place it
using
in
the
the
volume
timeline
control
and adjust
so it
its
sits
volume
underneath
using
the
the volume
voiceover
control
without
so it
competing
sits
with it.
underneath the voiceover
Most
without
background
competing with
music
it.
for voiceover content
Most
works
background
best
music
at
for
20 to
voiceover
30% of the
content works
voiceover
best at
volume,
20 to
present
30% of the
but not
voiceover
distracting.
volume.
When
Present
your
but not
voiceover and media
distracting.
are aligned and
When
you're
your
satisfied
voiceover
with
and
the
media
output,
are aligned
click
and you're
Export
satisfied
to
with the
download the
output,
combined
click
file.
Export to download
Exporting
the
your
combined
voiceover.
file.
When your audio
Exporting
is
your
ready,
voiceover.
click the Export
When your
button in the
audio is
top right
ready,
corner of the
click the
studio.
Export button
A
in the top
dialog
right
box
corner of the
opens with
studio.
format and
A
quality
dialog
options.
box opens with
For
format and quality
audio-only
options.
projects, select
For
MP3
audio-only
for the
projects,
most universally
select
compatible
MP3
format.
for the most
It's what you'll
universally
use for most
compatible
video
format.
editing software,
It's what you'll use for
podcast
most
platforms,
video editing
and
software,
e-learning tools.
podcast platforms,
Select
and
Wave
e-learning tools.
if you're delivering to a
Select
client or
Wave
platform
if you're
that
delivering to a
requires
client or
uncompressed audio.
platform that requires
Or if you're
uncompressed
doing
audio.
further audio
Or
post-production
if you're
where
doing
preserving
further
full
audio
quality
post-production
matters.
where preserving
For video
full quality
projects,
matters.
export as
For video
MP4
projects,
to get the combined
export as
video and
MP4
voiceover
to get
output
the
as a
combined
single
video
file.
and voiceover output
Downloading
as a single
requires a
file.
paid plan. On the
Downloading
free
requires
plan,
a
you can
paid
generate
plan.
and preview
On the
audio,
free plan,
but
you
the
can
export
generate
button
and
will
preview
prompt you
audio,
to
but
upgrade
the
before
export button will
downloading.
prompt you to upgrade
If you're
before
evaluating Murf
downloading.
on the free plan,
If you're
use the
evaluating Murf
in-browser
on the free
preview
plan,
to assess
use
voice
the
quality.
in-browser preview
Then make
to
your
assess
upgrade
voice quality.
decision before
Then
downloading.
make your upgrade
Which
decision
plan do you
before
actually
downloading.
need?
Which plan
The
do
free
you
plan
actually
covers
need?
evaluation
The
only,
free plan
10
covers
minutes of
evaluation
generation,
only,
full
10
access to the
minutes of
studio
generation,
features,
full
no
access to the
downloads.
studio features,
If you need to
no
produce actual
downloads.
deliverables,
If you
you
need
need
to
a
produce
paid plan.
actual deliverables,
The
you need a
creator
paid
plan
plan.
at approximately $19
The
to
creator plan at
$29 a month,
approximately
depending
$19
on
to
billing cycle,
$29 a month,
gives you 60
depending on
voices,
billing cycle,
unlimited
gives you
downloads,
60
and commercial
voices,
usage rights.
unlimited downloads, and
This is the
commercial
right
usage
tier for
rights.
individual content
This is the
creators,
right tier for
freelancers,
individual
and
content
solo
creators,
business owners producing
freelancers,
regular
and solo
voiceover
business
content.
owners producing
The
regular
business
voiceover
plan at
content.
approximately $66
The
to
business plan at
$99 a month
approximately
gives you
$66
access
to
to all
$99 a month
120 plus
gives you
voices,
access to
the
all
voice changer
120
feature,
plus voices,
Say It My
the
Way,
voice
and
changer
team
feature,
collaboration
Say It
tools.
My Way, and
This
team
is the right
collaboration
tier for
tools.
teams,
This is
agencies,
the right
and
tier for
anyone who needs
teams,
the full voice
agencies,
library
and
and the
anyone who
advanced
needs the full
intonation
voice
matching
library
features.
and the advanced intonation
Enterprise
matching
pricing is
features.
custom and adds voice
Enterprise
cloning,
pricing is
unlimited
custom and
generation,
adds
and
voice cloning,
enterprise security
unlimited
features.
generation, and
This is for
enterprise
large
security
organizations
features.
with
This
specific
is for
compliance
large
requirements
organizations
and
with
high volume
specific
production
compliance
needs.
requirements and
If
high
you're
volume
just starting
production
out,
needs.
begin with a
If you're
creator
just
plan
starting
trial.
out, begin
If
with
the
a
voice
creator plan
library and
trial.
basic controls meet your
If the
needs,
voice library
stay
and
there.
basic controls meet your
Upgrade to
needs,
business
stay
only
there.
if the voice changer or
Upgrade
Say
to
It My Way
business only
features
if the
are
voice changer
requirements
or
for
Say
your
It My Way
specific
features
content.
are requirements for your
Here's the
specific
full
content.
beginner workflow.
Here's
Go
the
to
full beginner
Murf.ai
workflow.
and create a
Go
free
to
account.
Murf.ai
Click
and
Create New
create a free
Project,
account.
name it, and
Click
choose
Create New
audio or
Project,
video project
name it,
type.
and choose audio
Enter
or
your
video
script in the
project
text
type.
blocks, adding new
Enter your
blocks with the
script in the
plus
text
button
blocks,
for longer
adding new
scripts.
blocks with the plus
Open the
button
voice
for longer
library,
scripts.
filter by
Open the
language,
voice
style,
library,
and gender.
filter by
Preview
language,
voices
style,
and
and
select the
gender.
one that fits your
Preview
content.
voices and select
Click
the one that
Generate
fits your
Audio
content.
and listen to the
Click
preview.
Generate
Adjust
Audio and
emphasis on
listen to the
specific
preview.
words.
Adjust
Insert
emphasis on
pauses
specific
between
words.
sentences.
Insert
Correct
pauses between
mispronunciations
sentences.
using the
Correct
pronunciation tool.
mispronunciations
And
using the
adjust overall
pronunciation
speed
tool.
if needed.
And adjust
Use
overall
Say It My
speed if
Way on the
needed.
business plan
Use
for
Say It My
lines where
Way on the
specific
business
intonation
plan
matters.
for lines where specific
Add background
intonation
music
matters.
and video clips in video
Add background
projects
music and
using the
video
Media
clips in
tab.
video projects
Export as
using the Media
MP3,
tab.
WAV, or
Export as
MP4
MP3,
on a paid plan.
or MP4.
The free plan
MP
gives you
player.
everything you need
The
to
free
evaluate
plan
whether
gives you
Murf
everything
works
you
for your
need
content
to
before
evaluate whether
paying.
Murf works for your
Use all
content
10
before
minutes of
paying.
free generation
Use
across
all 10
different
minutes
voice
of free
options
generation
and script
across
types
different
to
voice
make that
options
call
and
with
script
real
types
information.
to make that call
Hit the like
with real
button
information.
and subscribe if this
Hit
helped.
the like button.
I'll see
and
you in the next
subscribe
one.
if this helped. I'll see you in the next one.